Easy ways to earn $10 a day online. Hi, I'm Martin, and in today's video we are going to be talking about easy ways you can actually earn $10 per day online. And there's a couple of options here that you can actually scale into a full-time business as well. So make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video to find out those and the others that you can actually start today for free and start earning in $5 to $10 every single day. Now, before we jump into it, I just want to say, obviously, this is going to be something that you're going to have to work at. This is not something that you're going to just be able to push a button and you're going to be able to earn $10 a day. Okay, these are things that are going to vary from country to country. There might be some of these that I'm going to offer you today which are not very good for your country, and others that are good. So again, you might need to just obviously try different ones and see which ones are the best for you. But like I say, there are two in here that you could easily scale into a full-time income. So let's jump across and go through these 7 ways you can actually earn $5 to $10 every single day. The first one we're going to talk about is a very simple way, and it's free surveys. Just taking paid surveys on your laptop or your PC and all your mobile. And as you can see here, this is just one site I've come across. I've been testing out Prime Opinion of lately, and it's been paying out really well, etc. And I've got a big long list of the survey sites you can find on my playlist right here. Okay, so make sure you check that out. It says here the average user earned £9 yesterday. Like I said earlier, some of the countries you're going to be in, you're going to get more surveys rather than others are going to get less surveys. So again, you might need to just test some of these. And if you want to do surveys, you might be a good idea to also join 2 or 3 of the survey sites, and then you can probably between them easily get $5 to $10 every single day. But again, this is something you're going to have to go in and you're going to have to actually work and spend a bit of time taking the surveys. You don't get approved for all the surveys. Better ones than others, and I must admit Prime Opinion is one of the better ones. YouGov as well is a really good one. Now the second one we're going to talk about user testing. Now, user testing, this is, again, various websites out there that you can actually go and you can sign up to actually test websites, templates, mobile apps, all that sort of thing. And you can then give your opinion and then you can get paid for it. And again, these can be paid quite lucrative. You can get sort of sometimes $50, $60, even $70 for doing a single task. Sometimes, again, you're going to get more tasks in certain countries than you are others. And again, there are various different tester sites out there. Okay, user testing is probably one of the good ones. Okay, but there are many out there again, and it's another great way that you can actually start. And you can just use a little bit of your free time testing other websites and mobile apps, etc., and getting paid for it after you give your opinion. And this is it. You will have to give a really good, solid opinion about it, and you'll have to hit the recommendations that the actual customer actually requires. Okay, so again, this could take a little bit of time, but if you're getting $70, $80 and it might only take you an hour or so to do, then this is well worth it. But again, you might need to join 2 or 3 of these different sites if you're going to do it and on a regular basis and try and get that $10 per day every single day. Now, the third one we want to talk about, and that is get paid to sites. Now, this is one that I actually do myself, and I've earned, getting on for me, $2,500 from just this one site. Okay, and this is free cash. And as you can see here, I've got $30, near enough $30 ready to come out of this site that I could actually withdraw today if I wanted to. But what is free cash? And again, there are many other get paid to sites out there. This one is the one I've probably found the best for paying out. And as you can see here, you can do featured offers. You can do offer partners. You can also do different tasks and that. Again, playing games. There are other various things in here. You need to watch some of the videos I've done about free cash. And I've done a whole playlist about free cash So you can actually go through all the different ways you can earn and payment proofs, all that sort of thing. And I'll put a link above this in the corner of this video here with a link to my playlist all about free cash, because this really is a great site and it is worldwide. So it near enough covers every single country. And like I say, there are offers here. This is how easy. This offer here is $375. Obviously, that would be a longer offer and you'd probably have 30 days to complete that. But again, you're looking at $10 a day if it takes you a month to complete it, just that one offer. Get paid to sites are, again, a fun way because you can do a lot of people come in and they play games, they take surveys, they do offers, all these sort of things, and they earn on a daily basis. But there are hundreds of get paid to sites. And again, you might want to join probably the top 5 or 10 and just play them for a little bit every day. And it won't take long before you should start actually hitting your $5 to $10 per day target. Now, number 4 we're going to look at, and that is gigs. Okay. Now, you could do, if you've got any talent or any or you know how to do certain things, such as even the graphics, programming, digital marketing, videos or animation, writing or translation. So yeah, even if you have translation skills, maybe you speak fluent Spanish and English at the same time, so you could actually do some translation jobs here. So Fiverr is a great place, and again, there are other websites out there. Upworker, People Per Hour are just another two that you could use as well. But Fiverr is probably the most well known. And you just join as a freelancer and then you can set up a gig for a particular service that you're going to actually provide. And then people will then pay you for that service. So if we just took translation for argument's sake here, if we scroll down, these are going to be the featured things here. But as you can see, I will translate English into French and French, English into German, French, etc. from £9. This is okay. So it depends on the length of the thing, but you could earn £9 per gig. Again, start for free and then build up gradually as you go. Now you've got intros and outros videos for argument's sake. So if you wanted to do, if you're good on other things, and you see these are a lot more expensive, from £51, from £76, and these people are doing over 1,000 gigs. Okay, and this is this literally, I will create a custom logo, animation, YouTube video, intro and outro. The thing is, there are AI tools out there, guys, that could actually do this for you. So you could pay maybe $50 a month for that tool that will actually create all these things for you. And you don't even have to have any experience really before you can actually start up this business. And again, you could scale this into a full-time income. And this is not one of the ones that I said you could, because there are two others coming later on in this video, and especially the one that I use at the moment to earn more than $5 to $10 every single month. And again, all of these you can start for free, guys. You don't need any actual money up front. You could get going on these from today. Okay, so the 5th one I want to talk about is doing micro home tasks. So if you didn't want to do stuff online maybe, and you are more hands-on and you were more of a handyman and something like that, or you could help and you had time on your hands, this is the sort of things that people are looking for. Furniture assembly, like IKEA assembly, to mounting, home repairs, outdoor help, probably in the garden, cleaning, moving, painting, all this sort of thing. And again, you can become a tasker literally by joining the TaskRabbit website. And I've done a video about TaskRabbit recently where someone was actually earning 50 odd pounds per hour. Okay, that's not per day, that's per hour. So again, this could be something again you could do and could build into a full-time income, but majority of it, depending on how many tasks, certainly when you get started, you're going to have to build your account up, and you're only going to be able to probably do 1 or 2 tasks a day at maximum. So you are going to need to obviously build that up from scratch, but totally doable. And this is something totally different that you could do. So now we come to the 2 remaining ones I want to talk about. And the first one I want to talk about, that is called print on demand. Now, this is very, very big at the moment. And this could be literally clothing. It could be stickers, phone cases, wall art, kids and baby stuff. You could then create design or even just some wording to go on certain items. Now, once you've got those items, you could then sell them via obviously a site such as Redbubble, or you could even go and keep them on Redbubble and go to places like Etsy, even TikTok, where you could obviously then promote them and get people across to buy from your account. And again, this is something that again you can actually build, and you can sell 1 or 2 items a day and still make the profit. And you don't need again any setting up costs, because you've got to do is create the art, and again use AI tools out there which will help you create the artwork. You haven't even got to be an artist these days. So this really is a no-brainer that you could start today for free. And again, you could build this into a full-time income. Now, the last one I want to talk about, and that is affiliate marketing. Now, before you switch off, lots of people obviously think affiliate marketing is a big scam, all that sort of thing. But all you're basically doing is you're taking a product and you are recommending that product to someone else. Okay, and it's not your product, so you haven't got to create it, you haven't got to stock anything. But this could be a digital product, or it could even be a physical product, okay, depending on the product and the niche you're going to be in. Now, all you need to do then is obviously go and create accounts with the particular products you actually want to promote, and then you will get like a unique link for each particular product. And then what you do is you go and then use sites such again as TikTok. You could use your own website. Again, you could do video reviews on YouTube, all those sort of places. And then you can then direct them to the product which will solve their problem. Okay. And then once you sell a product, that product owner will then actually pay you a commission. Now, this commission could rate from anywhere to a few percentage, right up to some of them do 75, even 100% for certain products. But the majority, if you can get something around the 40, 50, 60% mark, you're doing pretty well. So again, this could be scaled up, because you can also offer what we call recurring income products. So in other words, these could be softwares, that sort of thing, where you can recommend the products, they sign up for the product itself, and then you would then get paid every time this product is repurchased every single month. Now, I know hundreds of people who are getting paid thousands of dollars per month just for doing affiliate marketing. It really is a growth business at the moment. It's one to get into, and you could even be an affiliate for some top brands such as Nike, Adidas, and any of the Amazon products as well. Amazon has got its own affiliate program as well. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more about this for free, maybe check out the first link in my description, where I'm giving away what I call my affiliate profit formula mini course. Now, you can grab this for free. Just got to enter your email address and name, and I'll send you through to the course. And it's a video course, although you can download it as well. Plus, we give away loads of bonuses as well as you stay attached, including a free group that I've got where I will actually answer any of your questions you have about affiliate marketing or online marketing, etc. Any online and any of these ways that you can actually earn money, I can answer those questions within the group. Okay, so again, this is a great way that you can actually earn money. So if you want to check it out, then make sure you check out the next video at the end of this video. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch this video next, where you will actually find out how easy it is to actually start affiliate marketing, just like I have, and start earning bigger and larger commissions.